This guy right here makes around $266,000 per month teaching people AI Claude. And this video is not to bash anyone. This video is to show you how you can do it as well. Okay, this guy is smart. He's teaching people valuable stuff and he makes a lot of money. Even though this right here says that he makes 3.4K per month. This is not accurate. This is like from AdSense, yes. Let me show you how this guy makes money. Essentially, this guy teaches people about Claude, about AI agents, and the way he makes money is this. Okay, he has a link in the description. And as you can see, this is his program. It takes me to this website where he's selling a course or a community like that. I haven't dug too deep into this, but the point what I'm trying to make here is that there's 3.2 thousand people in here. 3.2 thousand people in here paying him $87 per month. Whoops. And let's see how much he makes. As you can see, this was more than I was expecting. $278,000 per month. And this is pretty common, okay, when it comes to selling info, when it comes to selling with your personal brand. He essentially teaches AI, but he's not the only guy who's making a lot of money, okay? My first personal brand was around trading. And by the way, again, this video is not to bash anyone, okay? I want you to do it as well. I want you to teach people valuable stuff. You find a problem in your life that you solved and you start teaching people how to do it. Okay, it doesn't have to be money related, it doesn't have to be AI, it doesn't have to be trading. Okay, my first personal brand was around trading. I was teaching people how to trade. I now don't post much to this channel, as you can see, but I used to be posting a lot of videos on this channel right here. This channel right here got me like 10K per month at 1K subscribers. Right now I'm at 5K and I don't post on this channel anymore. But the point what I'm trying to make is that I was teaching people how to trade because I got good at trading, and then I started making way more money teaching trading than actual trading. And this is what happens for most people when they start teaching. Every one of these guys are teaching people valuable stuff and they make a lot of money. Okay, especially this guy, TGR Trades, makes around $1 or $2 million per month. There has been a lot of not exposed videos, but like his funnel being exposed, how much he makes selling information, selling trading courses, mentorships. Again, not to bash anyone, but I'm just going to show you exactly how this works. Essentially, he has a website, a landing page, and this is essentially the landing page for his mentorship. There's going to be like a qualification application. Okay, let's see if you qualify. Let's say if risk management isn't that, let's say 1821. And this is exactly what you need to do. You need to post a lot of videos, value, and you're going to send them to an application. And this is usually like high ticket. He's going to probably try to sell me like a $5,000, 10K mentorship and blah, 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 blah. And let's bet after this, it's going to send me to a book a free call page. Let me see. Yes, of course, he's going to ask me, do I have an income source? Because, then he qualifies me if I have the money to invest into the program. Okay, I'm finally invested. Okay, let's say like this, blah, 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 blah. And exactly. Book a free call. No shit. Okay, because now people are going to join this call and they're going to, not TGR necessarily, but his sales guys are going to join the call as well and try to sell to the prospect. Now, if I would try to join this, people would try to, the sales guys would try to sell me a 5 to 10K mentorship, depending on my income. Obviously, they're going to ask like, what is your budget? And if I say 10K, then they're going to try to sell me for 10K. You get the point. Okay. But you need to do it as well. Again, I'm not bashing anyone because I do this as well. And I'm trying to teach you exactly how to do it as well. And essentially everyone on this page, they have a personal brand and they're selling courses and mentorships, and they make way more money teaching than the actual topic that they're teaching. That's just how freaking goes. Okay, that's just how freaking goes. If I now search up how to make money online, this is gonna take me here, and everyone here, they're teaching a money making method. So if I now go here, how to make money with YouTube Shorts. Okay, example. Okay, join short school. Okay, immediately join short school. Let's see how much is this guy making. Okay, this guy making that crazy much, but still you get the point. They are teaching and making money teaching, okay? Because they have a personal brand. And I want you to also build a personal brand. So essentially, first step would be, if I now go here to my board, let's say I will go here. Essentially, first, you want to gain traffic. How do you gain traffic? Well, posting videos regularly, okay? Posting videos about the topic that you teach. So essentially, how do you find your niche, the topic? Well, first of all, you have to look at your life. What have you solved already? If you have a six-pack, you want from fat to fit, start teaching fat people how to go fat to fit, okay, just like you did yourself. And if you are good at trading, then teach people how to trade. That was my first personal brand. Started making so much money teaching. Now, if personally in your life you were good at studying in school, you got great grades, okay, you went to medical school, this and that, you can teach people how to exactly go to medical school or how to study better, this and that. And essentially you're not just gonna post random videos, you're gonna post to that specific audience who need to get that problem solved, because those people are gonna pay eventually. And then essentially, okay, you're gonna give them free value. You can give them some PDFs or this and that to get their email. Then you're gonna turn them into leads. You're gonna perhaps get their email, send them to Telegram or Discord. You're gonna build that cult-like community. And then marketing side, you're gonna freaking promote your products. You're gonna promote your digital products. And what should you exactly sell? Well, you can choose. You can sell low tickets, maybe $50 per month clients. Okay, one client equals $50 per month. This is what I used to do, and I was making around $2K per month. But as soon as I switched to high ticket, then like 2.5K to 3K or 5K per client. This is what changed everything for me personally, because I was teaching people how to trade, and I still sell high ticket with this. Then obviously this is what changed everything for me. But you have to be clever with this. If you're very good at marketing and you are more in a broader niche, like teaching people basic AI or basic this and that, then you should sell low ticket. Because the more broader you go, the more broader your topic is, the more low ticket your product should be, because you're not solving a specific problem, a specific pain point. Now, there's trade-off in every one of these. If you're in a very niche market, you're gonna get less views, but you can sell much more expensive. Okay, you can sell up to 10K per client, 20K. There are people who have a product, who have a digital product that goes for $30,000 per month per client. Okay, that's like if you're very super niched and you're teaching some very valuable stuff. Okay. And then naturally, if you sell high ticket, you're gonna send them to this application. The one TGR is as well doing that I just showed, but I also had one like this. You're gonna send them application. There are gonna be a lot of qualification metrics like, do you have money set aside for coaching? Are you willing to invest into this? Are you coachable? How much are you making? What exact help do you need, etc., etc. If qualified for coaching, they're gonna be sent into this congratulations page where they're gonna book a free call. And then this is the last chance to check if the prospect is eligible. If yes, seal the deal. And yes, you got the sale. Let's say you got the money. You got the 5K, you got the 2K from the client. It doesn't end here, obviously. Now it's time. The thing that separates most people, most personal brands, when they sell info, is that how great results are their students getting. And unfortunately, most people, they just want the money and forget about the clients. But you have to remember that at the end of the day, you're running a business. Client wins equal more credibility and more money for you. And client wins means they will mention your program in the future. Okay, and then after that, rinse and repeat. You're gonna continue posting every single day. And what should you post? Proof, education, personal stories, all that good stuff. Make you more credible, make you more trustworthy, and build that cult-like community. Okay. Now, if you want to learn exactly the in-depth guidance, you want to like literally work one-on-one with me, then there should be a mentorship link in the application that it's gonna send you right here. And as you see, I'm being transparent. This is the whole process that I do as well. I literally talk to talk and I walk to walk. Okay, unlike most of these online gurus. And also, if you're not ready yet, then just check the first link in the description. It's gonna take you to my 7-day boot camp where I will teach you everything for free. Okay, as well. Like it's a course, mini course for free. Okay, but yeah, if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want to. Peace out.